If you want to send a free PDF to your Mailchimp subscribers, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to add a downloadable PDF to your Mailchimp email campaign so your subscribers can open it, click it, and download it easily. This is a great way to share lead magnets, bonuses, guides, checklists, or any valuable file with your audience. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into Mailchimp and get started. First, go to the email editor inside Mailchimp for the campaign where you want to add your PDF. This is the email you'll be sending to your subscribers, so make sure you're editing the correct one before you continue. Once you're inside the editor, click on the button or text block where you want the PDF link to appear. This could be a call to action button, a text link, or any clickable element in your email. After that, look at the left-hand panel and click on the link dropdown. This is where Mailchimp lets you connect a web file to your button or text. From the options that appear, choose Web, then select File. This tells Mailchimp that you want to attach a file rather than link to a web page. Next, click Add File. Mailchimp will open the file manager so you can upload your PDF. From there, click Upload from Device. Now browse your computer, find the PDF file you want to send, and select it. After that, click Open so Mailchimp can upload the document into your campaign. Once the PDF is uploaded, Mailchimp will generate a file link for it automatically. At this point, you'll want to rename the button or link so it clearly tells subscribers what to do. Click on the button text and change it to something like Download PDF, View Guide, or Get the free resource. This small step makes a big difference because it helps people understand exactly what they're clicking on. You can also make the text more specific to match your content, such as download the free checklist or access the full PDF. After renaming the button, double-check that the link is still attached properly and that the file is the correct one. It's always a good idea to preview the email before sending it out, just to make sure everything looks clean and professional. When you're happy with it, click Save and Exit, and then send your campaign to your Mailchimp subscribers. Once the email is delivered, your audience will be able to click the button and download the PDF directly. And that's it. You've now sent a free PDF to your Mailchimp subscribers the easy way. If this video saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on Mailchimp, email marketing, and other helpful software tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.